Today we're going to be installing the standpipe and valve on an Omni 3. It's very similar to an Omni 5. Both of these units come unassembled, so you have to put those parts together. Everything you need is located in the accessory bag that is located under the unit. In addition to those pieces, we have the cover and the frame that will be underneath the unit as well. To start off, you need to take the access panel off the unit. You need a 1/2-inch wrench to do that. So you loosen up the screw that's going through there until the tab will turn to the side. You don't want to take that screw all the way out because you'll lose the back side of it. Take the access panel off, set it aside. In your accessory bag, you'll find the standpipe assembly, the standpipe nut and washer. Take the nut off. The rubber washer stays on the standpipe side, so it'll go inside the trough. Insert that through the large hole in the trough. Put the nut on the bottom side. There's 2 holes on the top of the standpipe that you need to align those at approximately a 5 to 10 degree angle. Once we get the valve in, we can do the final adjustment on that, so just get it snug for now. And there the standpipe is installed. You want to get the valve assembly out of your accessory bag. Valve assembly looks like this. It's got a pin on the front side that goes into the front hole of the standpipe. Once you get the pin in the front hole, then the back simply snaps into the other hole. After you've done that, you want to get the float assembly out of your accessory bag. The float will already have the cam arm installed on it. You need to remove the pin that's already installed in the valve body simply by pushing it out. It's a small pin, you want to hang on to it so you don't lose it. Align the cam in that hole and put the pin back in. You can set your float level once you get the water hooked up to the unit.